How to fix WhatsApp spam. If you're facing the issue, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam error, then in this video, I will guide you on how to fix that. First, open Chrome or any browser on your device and go to whatsapp.com. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and tap Contact Us under WhatsApp Messenger Support. On the support form, enter the phone number you're trying to register, including country code and your email address twice so they can reach you. Under device, you want to select your platform. For example, in my case, I'm going to select Android. Now in the message box, write a brief request such as, WhatsApp team, my number was mistakenly banned from WhatsApp for spam. Please review and reinstate my account. When everything is filled out, tap next step, then send question. You should receive a reply often within minutes. Now, WhatsApp team will explain the outcome and restore access if your ban was an error. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.